Hello YouTube land, this is Giggling Skull and I'm back once again to do a Lego review. This time we got my favorite Star Wars character, General Grievous. Bum bum bum. So, this is a look at the front of the box. Star Wars. There's the side. There's a picture of the back showing you that he's got 4 lightsabers and that his arms can combine into one. And those are other guys. Do I actually have any of these? No. I don't plan on doing any of those. Here's another side, showing you how it has ball joint action. And what's the other side? Oh, and here's a picture of General Grievous's head in actual size. Come on, focus. Focus, camera. Focus. It's not deciding to focus, but I think you can get it. Anyways, I'm gonna go build this. And then I'll be back. And I'll see you then. Hello, I'm back. And I'm just gonna say I really, really like this. As in, I'm gonna display this in my room and then I'll take it apart. Alright. Now, let's go over posability. His legs can go only that far back. His knees, his legs can go that, well, pretty forward. Not really good. And his knees can only go that far forward. And then that back, this moves to accommodate that. And here, at his little, I don't know what you would call that. It can go back or forward, back or forward. And his feet, you can pretty much whatever you want. And his arms got all kinds of, flexibility. Yep. Oops, took them apart there. That's kind of finicky there. But I still like him. He's gonna be displayed in my room. Now let's look at that face. That awesome face. I just love that face. Can't get it to focus on it. But I do gotta say, I love that face. Kinda looks like a goat a little bit, but I love it. His arms, they can be separated. I think they look the best that way, but they can also be combined into one arm. I mean, I think it's okay, and then you could just, I don't know, then he's got like 2 hands. It's too bad he doesn't have a place to store the lightsaber. I'm all about storing weapons and having free hand. Unless you're gonna pose him with his weapons. Honestly, the best way I think he's gonna be posed is those ones up, those ones down. I'm gonna pose him like probably like this in my room. Gonna pose him something like that, moving around. But yeah, I'd give this like a 10 out of 10. But I just love how it looks. And what else can I say about it? I think it's really well put together, and the skeleton, I mean, these skeletal pieces work pretty good for him because he's like a robotic skeleton guy. So that's what his back looks like. Back of his legs. So yeah, totally love this guy. I mean, I don't know how. Yeah, I think you could get some pretty good play action out of him. Let's see how well I can stand him. Can I stand him on one foot? Can I? Can I? Will it do it for me? Will it? Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Balanced on one foot. And he's kicking forward. I don't know how stable that is. I'm hitting the table with my hand. I just want to see how stable it is. That's actually pretty stable there. So you can get him in some pretty good action poses. What? Yeah, so... yeah. Gonna defend. Too bad they couldn't get him to grab stuff with his feet, but you can... maybe you could get him to grab. Ah, he's got my finger. No! But, yep. I love him. So, if you are a General Grievous fan, then I would recommend getting this. Absolutely my favorite Star Wars character. Yeah, and you should play a shot game. Every time I say how much I love this, you should take a shot. Anyways, I don't know what else to say except this guy's gonna go up in my room and I'm not gonna take him apart. He's just gonna be there and look awesome. Gotta thank anyone who enjoyed this or anyone that watched it. Thanks for watching. So, probably no one watched it, but I had fun. And I'll see you in the next review. Bye!